In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund a gifted game on Steam Mobile. Before we get into it, it's important to know that refunding a gifted game on Steam works a little differently than refunding a game you bought for yourself. Since this was a gift, both the recipient and the original purchaser may need to take action. In this part, we're focusing on what the recipient needs to do, especially if the gifted game has already been claimed. Start by opening a mobile browser on your phone and going to the official Steam support page. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Steam account, the one that received the gifted game. This is important because the refund request has to be connected to the account where the gift was redeemed. Once you're logged in, look for the section labeled Purchases, or in some cases, Games, Software, and similar categories. Tap that section to bring up your recent activity and game list. From there, find the gifted game you want to return and tap on it to open its support options. Next, Steam will ask you to choose the issue that best matches the reason you want to return the game. Select the option that fits your situation most closely. After that, tap the option that says, "I'd like to request a refund." This tells Steam that you want to move forward with the refund process instead of just viewing support information. On the next screen, look carefully for the checkbox that says allow the original purchaser of this gift to request a refund. Go ahead and check that box. This step is essential because it gives the buyer permission to complete their side of the refund request. After that, the recipient's part is done. If you don't enable that permission, the purchaser won't be able to continue with the refund request for the gifted game. Make sure this is completed first so the process goes smoothly on mobile.